Hi guys, welcome back to Erica Rhennae 101. And listen, it is February the 14th. It is Love Day. It is Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day. I just finished getting dressed and I'm ready to go. So I wanted you guys to come along with me on this beautiful Love Day and look at the outfit and just come along with me. So stay tuned and take a look. Hi guys, it is your girl Erica Rhennae and it is March the 8th. You guys last saw me on February the 14th, Love Day, Valentine's Day. As we were out at dinner, my camera died, and ever since that day I have been in complete grind mode. So I'm actually opening up a catering service based here in Virginia, Hampton Roads area, and I have been locked in with that, you guys. So I have just been ordering things and getting things in order, getting business licenses, just getting it done. So guys, it is now March 8th and your girl said, listen, we need to go out, we need to have a good time, get some good food and enjoy some good scenery. So I didn't get like really dressed up this weekend because where we're going to eat is not really called for. So I think we're gonna go to like a poorhouse, like a pizza and poorhouse type of vibe. But I don't know, we may go to hibachi. I don't know, we're still trying to figure it out. Might be Mexican. I don't know. You guys will see where we go when we get there. But guys, I have missed you guys so much. Tell me what you think about the hair, and I will see you guys at the restaurant. I like it. It's like sweet and spicy. I like it. Something different. Alright guys, so I am back from the restaurant and I didn't get much of anything basically because when I was in there, the lighting was like basically horrible. So I didn't get much of anything while I was there, but I did want to go ahead and end this vlog off and just let you guys know we have a lot in store. So just be on the lookout for Erica Rhennae. This year we are going to be consistent, we are going to be motivated, and we are just going to be walking in our purpose each and every day. So I will catch you guys on the next one. And if you guys are not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for, because as I always say, it's a vibe over here. I'll catch you guys on the next one.